So this is a struggle. We finally got the keyway in there with the impeller. So what we did was this shaft has a cut here, and we turn it towards the propeller. Then I got this little screwdriver holding it in position, and then another person holding the shaft, and then another person pushing this straight down, and it went into the keyway. So now we're going to work backwards. We're going to put this guy in here, and then make sure
it has to line up on the top over there, the open space has
to
be up there.
This space has to be like this.
Up there, yeah.
And then this guy is going to be turning clockwise. So if this guy go clockwise, that means all the fins have to be facing this way.
Yeah.
This thing is spinning this way, right? When this whole thing turns this way, all the fins got to go that way. Okay.
Well, you can see it now because it's going to spin with it, with the shaft.
All right. So hold the camera for me.
Okay.
So I'm going to put some grease in here.
So which old one you want? The new or old or what?
We put that out, it go out after the metal.
We'll put the O-ring after we put this on.
He's greasing it up over here.
She'll be using marine grease, but don't got that right now. So now, this thing is going to go clockwise. So I'm going to go clockwise.
Okay, how I put it for you?
Is that the way it was
No,
clockwise?
no. You hold it. You hold it.
Clockwise.
No, this go clockwise, this go backward. The different. This way.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah. All the wings gotta go this way.
Done?
And this window got to go this way.
Yeah, so spin it all the way around.
Other way.
No.
But spin it all the way around.
This way better. And you check everything. You check. Okay, now I want you to check the impeller, everything, the same direction or not.